So let's take a few moments to go over the lottery icon. If you tap on lottery, you notice you're going to come to a screen specifically for anything relative to lottery. All lottery tickets come in a 50 cents or a dollar. Let's say you're selling $5.50 worth of lottery. You're going to hit 5 times $1. You're going to make sure you ID the customer because we do have an age limit. And then you're going to click this little 50-cent lottery pick. And then you're going to collect your money from your customer. All lottery has to be done on a separate entity. The customer who pays for the lottery cannot do the payout in the same transaction. They have to be done separately. So once you have rung up the lottery, cash it out, get your money for it, finish that transaction, then go ahead and pay out whatever winners you may have. So click on lottery. Now, depending on whether it's a scratch ticket or whether it's a pick ticket is going to be which icon you choose. So let's say you have a $50 payout for scratch. So you're going to hit payout scratch, type it in, then it's going to prompt you. And once you type it in, you're going to go ahead and give the customer their $50. You're going to keep the receipt that comes out of your printer and you're going to attach it to the winning ticket and you're going to keep those together for your reference. We're going to go ahead and cash out a lottery pick. Pick ticket is a Mega Millions, a Powerball, a daily number, any game that's not a four-way or a scratch ticket. So that's a whole separate one too. So depending on the amount, you would type it in, $30, and you're going to pay out lotto. Lottery is for the pick tickets. Scratch is specifically for scratch tickets. Has it been where the associate hits the wrong key? Absolutely. But that is fixable through your corporate office. They can probably figure out where the balance is. Once you do pay out a scratch ticket, that has to be paid separately and in a different transaction than the actual pick ticket. Sales have to be done separately. Payouts on the scratch have to be done separately. Payouts on the pick tickets have to be done separately. They can never be combined. Nor can you ever pay out a ticket towards the balance of the sale. It can never work out that way. So it'll actually mess up your drawer if you try it that way. So just remember, all lottery transactions, whether they're buying the lottery, whether they're cashing in a scratch, whether they're cashing in a pick ticket, they all have to be handled in separate transactions for proper balancing at the end of the day.